Hey guys, this is Jennifer with TheWookie Natural, and in this video I'm going to be sharing my recent shipment of Nailboo products and giving you my thoughts and review on that, so stay tuned. Okay guys, it's very late today. My daughter has turned off my overhead light, so it's a little dark in here. I apologize, but I want to get right into it as far as what is in this box. So I'm going to open up the box. And I don't know if you have heard of Nailboo. Nailboo, like boo. But it comes across my feed on Facebook quite a bit, and so I got a little interested in it because I like it. SNS products. That's a dipping powder, in case you guys don't know what it is. So basically, I do my own dipping powder. I do my own nails periodically, especially when you don't have as much money to go to the salon. And because of COVID, I did a lot of my own nails. So I'm going to show you what's in this box. So we have a dip powder, and this is the packaging. So I actually like the packaging of this product. This is the actual build. This is the build powder. You see it says BP on there. It's build powder. Okay, so we have one of those. We have a coupon, a welcome coupon that was very nice, 15% off. They put 2 instruction books in here, which is great. See, very simple instruction book. That's what it says here. Okay, and then we also have another dipping powder. So, this is called NO8, or it'll tell me the color inside, I believe. And then another dipping powder. And so they also come with this box and this inside here. So I'm gonna put the box aside. But I like black and white. I like the idea of black and white. So I like the packaging. So that's really good. Okay, so when I open up this box, out comes 4 more boxes, and this says base on it. Okay, then you have activator. Okay, then you have cleaner, and then you have top coat. Okay, so then in here we have a little brush to dust off the powder. We have a file. We have one of these, and we have nail forms. I don't know how to use these because I don't ever get nail extensions, and I asked JL how to do this, and she said you put it on like this, or you put it on like this. But I thought you put it on like this. That's what made more sense. But anyway, I don't know how to use these, so if somebody knows how to use these, you can put this in the comment below. Okay, so that's basically what's in here. Now what I've done before is I have a little bowl, a glass bowl, with my other system that I use. If you want to see what that system is, you could check that out. I'm going to put it in the info card above, and you can see that probably toward the end of the video. But if you like this type of content, you could go ahead and like and subscribe. I have tons of videos on there. I've got about 100, and I've been at this for a year, so please tell your friends. This is not the only videos that I do. I do hair videos, do makeup videos, and we do some lifestyle vlogs. So I put them all together on the same channel. Okay, so to just get started, hey guys, I'm reviewing this Nailboo packaging, and I got off of here and then I looked again, and if you look here, it has a little message that says, "Love your nails, boo," right? So when you open it up, you see a little message, and then on the inside, it says, "Welcome, Dip Queen," right? So I felt those were very I thought that was a nice little touch, added touch to the packaging. So in case you wanted to get that, I just felt loved when I purchased these, okay? So I hope that helps with the review. And oh, this is the other thing I want to say. As I go into the review, I'm going to put this in somewhere in my review. But I also want to say that this video was not sponsored at all, okay? I purchased this out of my own money because of my own nosiness and curiosity. So don't do me wrong, YouTube, okay? All right. Anyway, that's all I want to say. Back to the video. You gotta make sure your nails are clean. Now, I'm going to just tell you that I opened this box already, but I wanted to have a reveal so you can see it. But I actually used the product already, so I'm actually able to give you a good review right now. I just wanted to be dramatic and show the box opening. Well, the first thing I want to say, in comparison, now I did another video on SNS from Sally's, and it's the Pro Tip or Pro Dip or whatever it's called, and that system comes with 2 powders. It does not come with a build powder at all. It does not come with a duster. It basically just comes with the 2 colors, the 2 dipping powders, and also the 3 things that you need: a base, an activator, and a cleaner, because the base and the top coat, you use the same thing. So this system's a little bit different. It has a top coat that you put on there, and also it gives you your tools that you need in the packaging. Now the other kit gives you foil, and it gives you some things to, when you get ready to soak off the SNS, it does give you that. But this actually gives you a build powder, and I was a little confused about the build powder because they typically, when I go to the salon, they do not use a build powder because I'm not building more nail. And so what I might do the next time I do this is omit that step, only because, or mix a little bit of the build powder with the actual color. I don't know if that's feasible or not. I'll just share a video and show you what I did. But anyway, I paid a little bit more money for this. I think $50 something, like $59, $50 with shipping and everything, came to be about $60, which actually is still cost effective. I've used this once and it pretty much paid for itself, because if I were to go to the salon nowadays, SNS is automatically $35 automatically, okay? So if I use this twice, this thing has already paid for itself. If I use it 3 times, it will definitely have been a cost-effective way to do it. And I plan to use it at least 3 times. I mean, I'll use it some more than that. But anyway, let me just get into what is in here. So I'm going to tell you what I thought about it. Okay, so this is the build powder, you guys. and I'm going to open it and show you what it looks like. I've already opened everything. Like I said, I was just doing the box opening as a dramatic moment. So I don't know if you can really see, but this looks let me see if I could put a little bit on here so you could see what it looks like when I put it back in. It's very light. If that makes any sense. It's very light. Okay, so that's the build powder. Okay, and then I picked a color. They allow you to pick 2 colors. So unlike when you go to Sally and you get the kit, those 2 colors are automatically included in the kit. You don't get a choice. So this one is called Nail Flex and Chill. Okay, so I like light colors. This is like a light pink color, if you can tell. Let me take this trusty's so you can see. To me, this looks a little bit more, but it's not. It's actually not thick at all. Okay. So, and then the other color that I picked, it's called Blue's Clues. And they actually have really cute names for everything. And this is a very light blue color. Lighter than a baby blue color, so you see that. Okay, so that's what that comes with. Okay, so like I said, they give you an activator. You put an activator on. You do all of that. So was I happy with my purchase? I was happy with my purchase. There were to me a few differences between that one set that I purchased before from Sally's and this set. This set, it seems like the dipping powder goes on a little bit thicker, but that could be because of the build powder, and but it does come off quicker. So I was able to use my pure acetone, put some cotton balls in a bag and stick my hand in and rub it off relatively quickly. I did not even use anything heated to do it, and it came off pretty quickly. So that's a plus. Otherwise, I say they're pretty much equal. Ease of application was pretty good. Like I said, I felt like the powder is a little thicker, but I'm going to forego the build powder the next time I do it and just go straight in with the regular powder and see if that helps. And it was easily removed, so that's a plus. So I give Nailboo a thumbs up, and I will be using it on everybody I can. I'm gonna get JL to try it, see if she'll try it. Get Jay to try it, and see if she'll actually do it. And that concludes this video. And until next time,